Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore how much Instacart drivers typically earn. If you're curious about the earnings for Instacart shoppers, you're in the right place. Instacart drivers enjoy flexible hours, but how much do they actually make? On average, full-service Instacart shoppers can earn between $10 to $17 per hour. Fidester.com suggests around $10 per hour, which is close to minimum wage in some areas. Indeed reports a slightly higher average of about $15 per hour. Personal shoppers can make around $17 per hour, while store shoppers earn about $13.50 per hour. Delivery drivers average $15 per hour. Keep in mind, these figures can vary. On some days, you might earn less than $10 per hour, but on busier days, you can make $25 to $30 per hour. Earnings depend on factors like demand, location, and tips. Instacart's payment model includes several factors like the number of items, item difficulty, and distance traveled. Currently, Instacart guarantees a minimum payment of $7 to $10 per batch for full-service shoppers and $5 for delivery-only batches. This minimum is separate from tips, which shoppers keep 100% of. Shoppers can earn additional bonuses such as $2 for each 5-star review and peak boosts of $3 during high-demand periods. Tips are fully given to the drivers, reflecting improvements in Instacart's approach to tipping. Instacart drivers' earning can vary, but recent changes aim to provide fair compensation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching and see you next time.